just got to our hotel here in Dominican Republic. We're staying at the Dreams Hotel in La Romana for a friend's wedding. And I am so tired. I only slept like 2 hours last night. We landed in Santo Domingo and it took us like 2 hours to get here, and I think I slept the entire time and I'm still tired. But so far, this hotel is actually very, very pretty. So I'm gonna show you guys our room. So out here is our little balcony, and this is our view. We're actually staying in like a private area that they have here. So this pool is actually private. This is the inside of our room. They put little flower petals on the bed. Do you want to be in the vlog? No. We have a little coffee area and a little, look babe, there's Presidente here. And then this is the bathroom. The shower is actually super cute, but you can't really see it. Here we are. I'm so tired. So tired. It's just so hot and humid outside that I had to slick my hair back. I had mentioned before that I was the one that was super tired, but
y uno nacho con queso. ¿Cuál es el número?
5330.
5330. Yeah. Eso es todo. Gracias.
He's ordering room service and he just said, "Gracias, bro." You want to say something to the camera?
No, man, the camera's whatever.
Okay.
You're okay.
I'm gonna go take my makeup off and go to sleep.
Yeah, let's talk to the camera.
You want to talk to it?
No, let's say it to the camera. What's up?
I did. No, you have to look here.
This camera's like...
You look at the eye, not up there.
What's up?
Okay. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow.
No, wait, look at me. Do I look good? I'm not gonna lie.
Just shut up. Good night, guys.
Wait, not you. Good night. Good night, guys. Tonight, good sleep.
Tonight what?
Good sleep.
A good sleep?
Have a good sleep.
You have an eyelash right here.
Have a good sleep, my people.
Oh my god. Good night. Jesus Christ.
Wait.
So it's day 2 here in the hotel, and we're at the beach attempting to get some sun, but the weather just can't decide if it wants to be gloomy or if it wants to be sunny. So I'm over here trying to get some kind of a tan, and then I have Beatrice, my friend over here, which she's just getting rained on. So the weather is just not cooperating today at all. So hopefully it gets sunny. It's so weird because if you look over there, there's sun. There's sun in the water, but it's literally raining on us. Update, it's full on raining now. Beatrice.
Let's get in the water. We're gonna work.
He spilled the coconut. So we're just randomly walking, and then all of a sudden we see these little guys, and they're so cute. I think they're sleeping right now. Good morning, everyone. So we just finished eating breakfast and we came to the room really quick, and then we're gonna go to the beach. It is another day here at the hotel. We're kind of just like chilling. It's been a very like relaxing time here. And the thing is that we're with so many people that we've kind of just been hanging out with them. But we are gonna go and do stuff tomorrow. It's just that today is the wedding. That's what we came here for. So we're just gonna hang out for a little bit until it's time to start getting ready for the wedding.
God damn it.
Do you not see that I'm talking? Jesus Christ.
Mr. and Mrs. Ortiz!
I promise you I'm gonna make it to the club tonight.
So, I think that the best part about, I'm talking to the camera, so he can't see me talking to the camera because he just wants to be in the shot at all times. I think that the best, this is what I'm dealing with. Oh my God. I think that the best part about going to a wedding and staying in the same...
Wrong way, wrong way.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah, follow music.
I think that the best part about going to a wedding and staying in the same hotel as the wedding is being able to go to your room for anything. Like, change your wait!
Grab a tampon.
They're not there anymore.
This way.
Do you even know where it's at? Look how
Go to
pretty
your
that
room,
looks.
grab a tampon, grab your socks. Look at that over there.
Is that where the wedding's at?
Yeah.
I don't even know. We don't even know where the reception is.
Follow me.
We're just we went to the room to change our shoes really quick. We get out of the room and cocktail hour is over, and now we don't know where the reception is. So, and he thinks he knows where it is, but he probably has no idea. So.
Ahí,
Gracias.
Gracias. Thank you, man. Love you, man.
God, he
Love that
has
guy.
this thing with telling every single person that works here, after he asks them a question, instead of saying thank you, he says, I love you, man. People don't understand him. Watch us crash another wedding.
I hear it closer from here already.
Oh my, just follow Cosio's voice. We have a friend that came here with us for the wedding, and he has the loudest voice. So right now, we're using that as a guide to get to the party. Okay, so update, we have found the wedding. We got these little things, which tells us our table. So cute. It's pouring on us. Pouring.
My hair, I don't want to mess up my hair.
They're waiting for the wedding party to be introduced, and these two just start dancing in the middle of the dance floor. Also, I might ruin my camera because it's getting rained on right now. Do you remember your lines?
No.
Do you have your weapons?
I get nervous on stage. I get nervous, bro. I'm choking. I'm choking.
This is our audience right now. Ticket sales for the amphitheater went swell.
Where's Lily at? Where's Lily at? Skinny dipping.
Oh my God, I can't. The moment I turn on the camera, I'm not even exaggerating, we walked downstairs for like 30 minutes. The walk up is gonna be interesting. But we got to a river. Oh, can we get a boat? Now we're on our way back up for another 45 minutes. There's the river, if you guys can see it. over there. We were there for 10 minutes, walking back up for 45. It's a good workout though, since I haven't worked out this whole week. Oh Lord, my quads are already burning.
One eternity later.
We're still climbing. It's been like 20 minutes, we're still here. I can't breathe. I have a sharp pain on my right side.
Medic! Medic!